Hey everyone, welcome to today's foundation repair tip of the day. If you've noticed cracks in your garage floor, you're not alone. Cracks can develop for all sorts of reasons. Settling, natural shifts in the ground, or just the aging of concrete. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix them quickly and easily without breaking the bank. Cracks may look like a small issue, but if left untreated, they can let in water, cause uneven floors, and even lead to more serious foundation problems. Luckily, fixing them doesn't have to be complicated. Here's what you'll need to do. Step 1, clean the crack. Use a wire brush to clear out any dirt and debris. A clean surface helps the repair material bond better and ensures a longer lasting fix. Cleaning is essential. It also helps prevent moisture from getting trapped inside the crack. Step 2, fill the crack. You have a couple of options here. You can use a high quality concrete filler for smaller cracks, or if the crack is deep, you'll go with an epoxy. Epoxy bonds well with concrete and is great for floors that see a lot of traffic. For cracks that still shift or are caused by settling, a polyurethane injection is a great option. It's flexible and can move with the foundation, preventing future cracks. Step 3, smooth it out. Use a putty knife to level the surface and make sure the repair blends in with the surrounding area. It doesn't need to be perfect right away, but smoothing it out will give a cleaner look. Step 4, seal the surface. Once the filler has dried, apply a protective floor coating. I recommend polyaspartic coatings. It's fast drying, durable, and seals the cracks, giving the floor a brand new look. And that's it. You fixed those cracks, protected your floor, and saved yourself the cost of a slab replacement. To recap, you clean the crack, you fill it with epoxy or polyurethane, smooth it out, protect it with a floor coating. It's a simple, DIY-friendly solution that keeps your garage floor looking great. Thanks for watching today's tip. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Have any questions or need advice? Drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to help out. For expert help, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. You can visit us online at dalinghausconstruction.com or give us a call at 877-360-9227 to schedule a free foundation evaluation. See you next time.